Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best keyboard cleaning brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium all-in-one tool, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the 5 PCS Mini Keyboard Cleaning Brushes Kit by Juximal. This set is perfect for those who value variety and versatility. The kit includes 5 different brushes, each designed to tackle specific cleaning tasks, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas like the crevices between keys or inside electronic devices. The bristles are made of durable nylon, while the handles are constructed from polypropylene, ensuring long-term use without the risk of static damage. Design-wise, the brushes are lightweight and compact, which makes them easy to carry around or store when not in use. Their anti-static properties are particularly beneficial for sensitive electronics, ensuring that your devices remain safe during cleaning. While the kit is versatile enough to handle keyboards, cameras, and even car interiors, the lack of premium features such as retractable bristles or additional cleaning tools does limit its appeal compared to higher-end options. Overall, this is a great entry-level cleaning kit for the price. It's best suited for casual users who need a basic solution for day-to-day cleaning tasks. However, those looking for a more comprehensive or feature-rich option may want to keep watching. At number 4, we have the Keyboard Cleaner Laptop Cleaning Kit by Tasmitter. This all-in-one solution is a fantastic choice for users looking for a comprehensive cleaning tool. The kit includes a retractable keyboard brush, a keycap puller, microfiber cloths, a flocking sponge, and even a metal pin for those ultra-narrow spaces. It's designed for deep cleaning not only keyboards, but also other devices like smartphones, tablets, and cameras. This product stands out for its versatility and attention to detail. The microfiber cloths are excellent for cleaning screens without leaving streaks, and the flocking sponge is perfect for headphone charging cases. The build quality is solid, and all components feel durable. However, the kit's compact size and the sheer number of tools included mean that it may not be as portable as simpler options. While this is a great choice for tech enthusiasts or professionals who need to clean multiple devices, it may be overkill for someone who just wants to maintain their keyboard. If you're looking for a toolkit that can handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 3, we have the Keyboard Brush by Edgelite. This portable cleaning tool strikes an excellent balance between simplicity and functionality. It features a high-density, retractable brush that's perfect for reaching between tight keyboard keys without scratching or damaging your devices. Additionally, it includes a screen cleaner spray and microfiber cloths for streak-free screen cleaning. The design is compact and travel-friendly, with a retractable brush that protects the bristles when not in use. This makes it a great option for users on the go. The build quality is commendable, and the bristles are well designed to balance softness and firmness, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces, including keyboards, screens, and camera lenses. The inclusion of additional cleaning tools like polishing cloths further adds to its value. This product is ideal for users who want a portable yet effective cleaning solution. While it doesn't include as many tools as some all-in-one kits, its targeted design makes it a reliable choice for everyday maintenance. The only downside is that it lacks the versatility of more comprehensive kits. But if you're looking for a no-frills, high-quality cleaning brush, this is a great option. At number 2, we have the OXO Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush, which is the most budget-friendly option on this list at just $8.95. Despite its low price, this tool packs a punch with its dual functionality. It features soft bristles for sweeping away dust and the slim silicone wiper for grabbing dirt from tight spaces. The bristles are retractable, and the silicone wiper is protected by a cap, making it a durable and portable option. In terms of design, the brush is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry or store. It's simple, effective, and ideal for cleaning keyboards, computer screens, and even camera lenses. The build quality is solid for the price, and OXO's reputation for well-made products shines through. However, it lacks the versatility of kits that include additional tools like microfiber cloths or screen cleaners. This is an excellent choice for users looking for an affordable, no-nonsense cleaning tool. While it may not be as comprehensive as other products on this list, its simplicity and effectiveness make it a standout option for budget-conscious buyers. And finally, at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. This premium option is priced at $15.40 and offers exceptional performance for anyone looking to deep clean their devices. The double-sided design features a microfiber pad for removing fingerprints and smudges from screens, and a soft brush for sweeping away dust and dirt. Both ends are protected by a retractable mechanism and a storage cover, ensuring durability and hygiene. The compact design makes it easy to store or carry, and it's specifically designed for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The build quality is excellent, and the microfiber pad is highly effective at leaving screens spotless. The brush is soft yet firm enough to tackle stubborn dust, and the overall user experience is seamless. OXO also offers a satisfaction guarantee, which adds to the product's value. This is the perfect tool for professionals, students, or anyone who wants a reliable all-in-one cleaning solution. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its superior design, functionality, and performance make it well worth the investment. If you're serious about keeping your devices clean, this is the product to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.